So we're trying to create a regression estimator for the interselection time for candy C. Right now, the only features that we're working with are the candy we've selected, C, and the choice number. From visual inspections of the scatter plots, however, it seems that there may exist a relationship between the popularity of a brand of candy and the presence of other brands sharing the candy bowl, as measured by interselection time. This suggests that in order to predict the interselection time for candy C, we should instead be looking at the presence of other candies in the bowl, specifically measured by the interselection time of those candies. So let's go ahead and adjust our regression estimator. Where previously we tried to predict interselection time based upon the candy we selected and the choice number, now we're going to try to predict interselection time based on the interselection times of the other candies that are in the bowl. So here I've defined, for example, I of C sub 2 is the interselection time for candy C2. Or to give a concrete example, we could try to build a predictor of the interselection time for Starburst, given the number of turns since someone has chosen Airheads, Hershey's, Reese's, Kit Kat, and Rolos. After this last adjustment to our question, we have an even more precisely formulated statistical inference problem. Just to summarize what we did, we started out with an initial guess as to what our features should be for our regression estimator. After looking at a few scatter plots, we decided to refine our feature set to include the presence of other candy in the candy bowl.